Here we have a 69 plate BMW 530D M Sport, finished in a bluestone metallic exterior paintwork. You've got 4 20-inch alloy wheels with this vehicle in black, which are in excellent condition, as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. As we come to the front here, you'll notice we've got the black kidney grills. We've also got the black front splitter just there, and how great that these look from the front there. Coming round to this corner, we've then got our second 20-inch alloy wheel. We've got the black accent to the right of it with the M Sports badging above. We've then got our colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Here's a quick look at that interior whilst we're working our way around as well. We've then got our third alloy wheel, again excellent condition, shark fin antenna on top. At the rear we've got our spoiler lip just there. We've also got front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, dual exit exhaust, one on either side, as you can see. The vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. If we go on to the interior next, we have got a full ivory white Dakota leather interior, so that's just locked itself. I'll just unlock like so. There we go. We have got the full ivory white Dakota leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. Look at the detail. Fold down armrest in the middle, ISO fixed points within the seats. On the centre there we've got our temperature vent, additional storage and 12-volt connectivity. We've also got a storage behind the front seats. On the doors here we've got this lovely silver patterned trim. We've also got a brushed metal handle, uprated Harman Kardon sound system with the electric window controls and additional storage just below. Coming into the front here, we've got that same full ivory white Dakota leather interior, and how great do these seats look yet again. Again, the eye to detail you can see just there. On the doors here we've got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system yet again, unlock and lock button, this familiar trim, again the ivory white Dakota leather. On the door cards here we've also got our electrically adjustable memory functions, so these seats are electrically adjustable, as you can see just there, and we can assign them to these different positions. We've then got our electric power folding wing mirrors with electric window controls as well. Auto lights on our right there. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up. We do have keyless start, as you can see. Now we do also have the digital dash. I'll just wait for that to load up. There we go. 1 second. We turn that off again. As you can see, the vehicle itself has covered just over 9,300 miles, and as you could see before, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Ignore the orange triangle in the middle, that's just as we need to refuel, that's nothing to worry about at all. Taking a step back, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel just here, as well as phone controls, volume controls. We've got our paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears should you wish. Auto wipers on our right. We've then got our engine start stop button just behind, infotainment screen in the middle. On here you'll find things like your navigation. We've then got different forms of media connectivity. If we go across to the left here, you'll see we've got our DAB, FM and AM radio, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB as well. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. We do have different driving modes in here as well. You've got things like Sport mode, Comfort and Eco Pro. And a nice feature that the digital display is actually interactive with these different modes, so it will actually change depending on which mode you're in, as you can see just there. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got our reversing camera as well as a visual display of both front and rear sensors as well. We've then got our intelligent safety, so if I click back and then onto the intelligent safety, you can see we can configure the options just there. Great feature to have. We've also got the ambient lighting as well, as you can see, which is currently blue. Plenty of options to choose from, which looks fantastic at night time. Coming down, we've got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls as well with heated seats for both front passengers, all working exactly as you would expect. And of course we do have ice cold air conditioning. We've got some of that familiar trim again in the center, which looks fantastic. Below here we've got the additional storage, a USB connection point, 2 good sized cup holders, and the 12-volt connectivity. We've then got our control wheel and shortcuts for the infotainment screen, as well as the touchpad. Gear stick, we've got our traction controls, our different mode selects, and our electronic handbrake with auto hold, as well as a button for our parking sensors. Now last but not least, we do also have the soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. And you can see there we do have some 12-volt connectivity as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.